babies. Hope you're all doing well. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the party. So today I want to share with you one of my favorite juices. This is, in my opinion, one of the best juices for fighting cancer, preventing disease, and really going after those cells, those damaged cells, which are dehydrated, acidic. And what we got here is a watermelon, high alkaline, high water content, 92% water. I have been so dehydrated from my diet that I used to eat and the alcohol I used to drink. So this is super hydrating drink. And watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline. And this is actually really good for lowering blood pressure and getting the blood moving. So really good. Also contains lycopene, which is an antioxidant. So really good for lowering the IGF-1 levels and really good for cells, all your cells, and hydrating and giving them the live enzymes that they need. We also have the wonderful lemon. You'll see in a lot of my videos I'm always throwing lemon in something or drinking lemon water, and that's because it contains high vitamin C and even B vitamins, but really good for detoxing the body. It's also high water content and really good for bringing up the immune system. Antibacterial, so it's just a powerhouse. You see that people are making the lemon batteries, which can power a small watch or even a calculator. So that's amazing. That just shows you the power of lemon and living food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the watermelon up. We're going to juice it. I normally like to juice the rind. That's this green, lovely skin part, but I don't do it unless it is organic, just because of all the pesticides and chemicals out there. So we're going to take the rind off, the skin off, and we're just going to juice the inside. Let's get to it. A nice juice for the day, super hydrating, both alkaline and full of antioxidants. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos. Be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting some antioxidants in today.